Welcome to another video from INCLT, the Indonesia cross-laminated timber producer. Today we are completing the circle. After building with cross-laminated timber, now it's time for knocking it down. One of the benefits of CLT is the reusability of the panels. When a CLT building has lost its purpose, it doesn't take too much effort to knock down the building and reuse the panels. This building needs to make space for a more advanced CLT unit from teak wood. More about this in our next videos. These old CLT components will be cleaned and modified for a different project where it will function as a temporary office on a building site. Who knows, are we able to reuse it again after that project has been finished? What's more important is what we learn from this building. Other than breaking down CLT units at an expo, we did not have any experience. In this building, the ceiling, wall, and floor are all made from CLT. It was built on top of two 8.5-meter glulam beams. So far we found out the importance of using good hardware. Some screws did not stand the elements as well as we hoped for. And it's interesting to compare our new panels, which are much more advanced. But these older ones are still tough and strong. Yes, it shows the weather elements on some spots. And our wooden internal spline connector seemed to be much stronger than expected. Because of that, it took a bit longer to knock down these panels. But we managed to do it in one long day. INCLT has done many testing on strength and fire resistance. But we still have a long way to go. European CLT is much more advanced, and this we take as a benefit, as we can learn from their experience. We keep developing our product and learning from the past. This KD project is completing an important circle for us. We now can see how our plans worked out. In theory, we know what we can expect. But in real time it's different. After monitoring this unit and now taking it down, we have learned an important part of our CLT goals. Cross-laminated timber will also be a success in Asia. And we are proud to be one of the first in this part of the world. Its success can't be denied. The strength-to-weight ratio, compared to materials such as concrete, makes CLT a winner. Using sustainable products such as CLT and glulam will benefit our future generations. Living in a wooden house is making people happy and healthier. And now we know how we can reuse our CLT panels.